Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to your online mathematics class. I hope you all are fine. Unit number 2, number operations addition. Students, our today's topic is subtraction. Students, let us learn about the concept of subtraction. Here as you can see this pencil, the boy says I have 15 pencils and Aisha has 8 pencils. Students, let us find how many less pencils does Aisha have than boy. Students, subtract 8 pencils from 15 pencils. Students, here are 15 pencils. We subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 pencils. Now count remaining pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yes, 7 pencils are left. So, the Aisha has 7 pencils less than boy. So students, our next topic is subtraction of one-digit number from two-digit number with borrowing. Students, here as you can see in this picture, Salman and Raza. Salman says, my age is 8 years and Raza says, my age is 24 years. We can tell who is older by subtracting 8 from 24. Students, here I am showing you 24 at ones and tens place with blocks. At tens place 2 sets of blocks and at ones place 4 blocks. We cannot subtract 8 from 4. So borrow 1 10 as 10 ones from the tens place and carry to the ones place. 1 10 plus 4 ones is equal to 10 ones plus 4 ones and it will become 14 ones. Now subtract 8 ones from 14 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We subtract 8 ones from 14 ones. Now students, count the remaining blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So students, after subtracting 8 from 24, the answer will be 16. Students, you can also solve this question like this. First we write Raza's age, that is 24. Then we write Salman's age, that is 8 years. Students, as you know that we have already find out the difference by subtract 8 from 24, that is 16. So Raza is 16 years older than Salman. Students, let's learn about terms used in subtraction. Yes, the number from which the other number is subtracted is called minuend. The number that is subtracted is called the subtrahend. The answer we get after subtraction operation is called difference. Students, always remember left, how many more, how many less or fewer, remaining and difference are different terminologies that implies on subtraction. Now students, our next topic is subtraction of two-digit numbers with borrowing. Nida has 42 apples, she gives 15 apples to Ali. How many apples are left with Nida? We can tell how many apples are left with Nida by subtracting 15 from 42. Let us find out. Apples Nida has 42. Apples given to Ali 15. Students, as you know that in step 1, subtract the ones. We cannot subtract 5 from 2. Therefore, we borrow 110 as 10 ones from the tens place and carry to the ones place. 110 plus 2 ones is equal to 10 ones plus 2 ones and it will become 12 ones. Students, now subtract 5 ones from 12 ones and after subtracting we get 7 ones. In step 2, subtract the tens. 3 tens minus 1 10 is equal to 2 tens. So 27 apples are left with Nida. Students, let's do exercise number 1. Question number 1 is solve the following. In these parts, I am going to do part A and other parts you can do same as it is part A. In part A, 23 and 5 are given ones and tens place. We cannot subtract 5 from 3. So, we borrow 110 as 10 ones from the tens place and carry to the ones place. 110 plus 3 ones is equal to 13 ones. Now students, subtract 5 from 13 ones. And after subtraction we get 8. In step 2, now subtract the tens. 110 minus 0 tens and it will become 110. So the answer is 18. Students, in these parts I am going to do part E. And other parts, students, you will do same as it is part E and A. Let's solve this part E. Here 63 and 27 are given at ones and tens place. Now students, think in your mind, what should we will do in first step? Yes, we subtract ones. Students, think in your mind, can we subtract 7 from 3? No, we cannot subtract 7 from 3. So students, what should we will do? Yes, we borrow 110 as 10 ones from the tens place and carry to the ones place. 110 plus 3 ones and it will become 13 ones. Now 13 ones minus 7 ones and it will be 6 ones. Students, in step 2, what should we will do? Yes, we subtract the tens. 5 minus 2 and it will be 3. And so the answer is 36. Students, next is question number 2. You can also do this question by yourself by watching solved questions and other examples. Okay students, today's our lecture is completed. I hope you all understand and do practice of these questions at home and also keep it in your mind. Take care. Allah Hafiz.